Was there anyone who ever made you say, like, what the hell is this?
Yeah, Ronnie Coleman. I'm telling you, man, it looked like a silverback gorilla. And I have to say it, because it was the biggest human being. It was part human, part gorilla. Oh my God. This guy's gonna be Mr. Olympia forever.
The Bible was wrong. On the seventh day, God didn't rest. On the seventh day, God created Ronnie Coleman.
He had phenomenal genetics, backed by probably the greatest work ethic we've ever seen in any sport. Ronnie Coleman is the most talented genetic freak I've ever seen. The crowd went silent. Everybody looked. Ronnie turned around, glutes, fanned out. He hit him most muscular. Shit popped, we never saw pop. He hit a rear lat spread, lights out. Game over.
First walked in the door, his arms were already over 20 inches. He had a red sweatshirt and sweatpants on, and you could see the veins in his legs through the sweatpants. And when I saw that, it just blew me away. I have to say, I knew he could be Mr. Olympia one day. I truly believe that if Ronnie put his mind to it, he could set the all-time record in powerlifting. And not only be the greatest bodybuilder of all time, but the greatest powerlifter of all time also.
He is bigger and more ripped than you've ever seen him before. Mr. Olympia, Ronnie Coleman! Yeah!
That's why we live in this world. I know it.
I asked you this question a minute ago, but I'm going to ask you it again for all these people. Jay Cutler said you were 100% beatable. What do you say about that?
I say Jay Cutler's smoking crack. He ain't in his right mind.
The new Mr. Olympia, Ronnie Coleman.
Everybody want to be a bodybuilder, but nobody want to lift no heavy ass weight.